Hello students, welcome to the Word of Math Master again. Today in this session we'll be discussing tips and tricks 7. Let's have a look. So today we'll be talking about a pattern and which is a very interesting pattern. I'm sure अगर मैं ये question आपको दूं तो आप कुछ 1 मिनट लगाकर या थोड़ा बहुत जल्दी से मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर जल्दी से दे सकते हैं. मैं कुछ ही सेकंड्स में आपके बहुत सारा सेकंड्स बचा सकता हूं. आपको ध्यान से देखना है, राइट? So let's analyze a pattern. By the pattern, you can easily answer the question, right? Okay. So 9 into 9, as you know, it is 81. Okay. 99 into 99, obviously you can multiply and you'll get the answer as what? 9801. 999 into 999, interestingly, it is equals to 998,001. Now, what is happening? Right. 2929, 1910. 3939, when you are multiplying these numbers, you are getting 2 nines here, 2 zeros. Similarly, 4 nines, 4 nines, when you are multiplying these two numbers, you are getting 999, 000. 5 times 9, 5 times 9, you are getting 4 times 9, 4 times 0. And you can analyze the same pattern like this, right? Here you can have 6 times 9, 6 times 9, 5 times 9, 5 times 0. So you just analyze this pattern, right? I am sure you understand this. देखिए यहाँ पे आपने 7 times multiply किया, आपको 6 times मिल गया. 8 times multiply किया, and you are getting for 7 times. So जो क्वेश्चन कुछ ही सेकंड्स पहले आपको शायद लग रहा था कि बहुत टाइम ले जाएगा, क्या अब आप इसको आंसर दे सकते हैं? And I would love to see if you are answering the question in the comment box. So I am 100% sure that you will definitely like the concept. Thank you. Bye bye.